In this video, I will show you how you can clear the browsing data on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then tap on the three dots over here. Now from this menu, just go to History. Now under the History section, just tap on Delete Browsing Data. And from here, just select the browsing data which you want to delete. If you want to delete your browsing history, just select this option. And if you want to delete the cookies and site data, you can select this option. And you can select all the other options like the tabs, if you want to close them, if you want to delete the saved passwords. And also you can delete the autofill form data and the other site settings. Now after you select the data which you want to delete, then tap on time range. And from here, just select the time range which you want to delete. For example, if you want to delete the browsing history of the last hour, just select last hour. But if you want to delete all your browsing history, just select all time. After you select your time range, then tap on delete data. Select delete. And once you do that, you will clear the browsing data on your tablet. As you can see, if I go to the history, there is no data left in the history section. And this is how you can clear the browsing data on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.